Hey, to my fans right now, my life is looking perfect, and I'm happy every day, but there's still stuff below the surface that I never show, but only cause there ain't a need. But let me tell you what I'm thinking, ain't no money, clothes, and weed. I'm thinking let's get rich so my family is good, cause if you seen how we were living, you would think we in the hood. Little logic on my mind, adrenaline pumping daily. You either high all the time or paranoia drove me crazy. I'm sick of the question, and I don't wanna know, but if you really ain't high, well then I'm proud of you, bro. Hey. Hey, and it's confusing, but sometimes I feel I'm to blame. Feel like you think I got it made. I put myself on this train. I know my start wasn't as bad, wish I could heal all that pain, but don't think I didn't work for this. We came from the same struggle, robbing early, reminiscing is healing. Let's take 'em back to the times before you knew all them feelings. I wanna start up the tours and show the world you a king. I guess I'm scared to hear that maybe you don't want the same thing.
Do you feel the heaviness weighing down your soul? Don't let these demons from long ago feel at home. We got a past and we got the scars and we got the stories to tell. Through all the pain and suffering, we'll find our way.
My biggest fan is struggling, she called me up crying. We spoke for like an hour, said